Hi my friends. Today we discuss about transferring data in the title block in the first part, and in the second part we deal with modifying our template to create the possibility to work like you will see in the first part. So the first part is for everybody, but the second part is mostly for advanced professionals. We start by activating the former ISO IDW as it was prepared, eliminating trailing zeros, you know, from the tutorial 029. Go there and look to see what settings are in this very template. If we look here to the title block, we see some data. This is the name of my PC, yes, and this is today. Here we see the number of sheet per total number of sheets. You can add sheets to one only IDW by choosing new sheet, and you see now here is sheet number 1 on a faded background, which was before, and now it's sheet number 2, and here we see 2 per 2. If I double click here, this is active, and this is 1 per 2. Yes, we can delete it, and here is the same 1 per 1. Let's see how we can complete title block with data from the part or from the assembly, which is presented in views in the drawing. So we deal now with the parts, not assemblies, and a part is this one, you know it, the lever. I create a base view, as you know, and one of setting is to have no trailing zeros when we place a dimension, and you see there is not any dimension, any zeros after 3-1. Okay, now we suppose that data from this view to be placed in the title block. Let's see what data has a part. A part, all the data of a part are placed in the I properties, and you have to have a distinction between the data from the part and the data from the drawing itself. Here you see summary. The author is Prof SFC. This is myself. Project, where again designer is Prof SFC, and this is the name of the computer, of the PC, is placed here from the computer. The part number is lever, but better is to be here placed part name, title, excuse me, lever is the name of part, and I want to have this name in my title block. Okay, let's go to the title block, and we don't see here the word lever. It has to be here. To place here the proper data, you have to be careful to see what I do. I go to ISO title block and edit definition. Here we see in sharp brackets all the definitions, yes, in every cell of this title block. It seems to be a mess, but you will understand them, be sure. Okay, title is a name. Finish sketch, don't save, and now here in the sheet, not in the drawing resources, I have field text. Right click and we see this interesting box where the title has no value. Here are all the definitions and their values. Yes, prof SFC, today, and you see here today also, but the creation date of this part is not today, it was in December. Why I have not the updated values here? Because I have to make something. I have to go to Tools, Document Settings, Drawing, and here to this option, Copy Model I Property Settings. I am in the environment of drawing, so I want to take the data from the part, this is the part, to my drawing. I click here and I have to select what to choose. I copy Model I Properties and I copy all properties. Why not? Okay. Okay again. Now I am informed what happens, and I have to know that this is made with my confirmation. Yes, I do. And now I see here lever, which is the name, the title of the lever, and this is the data of creating the part. Yes, December 4 was 2019. Okay, what about the other? Checked by, approved by, date of approving. Nothing simpler than to go back to the field text and to see which data are necessary. checked by, approved by, approval date. I don't have this data in the I properties of the part, so I have to add them just here and just now. Part number from here is not the letters lever. This is a code or something. For instance, 234 B minus 09. I have a lot of imagination. Designer to be a name, Marcus Aurelius. For December 4, 2019 is okay. I don't have to change this. And when I click apply, you will see here some modifications, I hope. Apply. No modification. The modification are in the part. Close. You look them here, you see them here, and the author is also is still Prof SFC. Why this? Because there are two places where this name appears, here and here. Here was changed, yes, but here didn't. I didn't change. I'll change now. Marcus Aur, to be different. Apply. Look here. Look here, because the change are will be here. Apply. Not now. Close. Now it is Marcus Aur, and also here Marcus Aur. So we understand that author is this, and designer is other. Yes, designer is other thing. We learn together about all these details. Okay. The other data checked by, approved by, date, and so on are in other place. I go to status and I write here some names, for instance Brutus, to be in the Roman Empire. The data in December, say 17, and approved by Cicero in January on 24. Good. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and they are here. Brutus, Cicero, Marcus Aur, and so on. Okay, this is a good start for you to complete all the data in the title block. On the other hand, is good to note that once copied, the properties really do not update automatically when they are changed in the model. Yes, you have the model and the drawing. When you change here some data, they are not automatically reflected on the drawing. So to update them, you have to go to Manage tab and to click on Update Copied Properties when you change data in the part. It happens when you close Inventor and then you work to the part and then to the drawing. Now we close the drawing without saving, and we save the part with all modified data in the I properties, summary, level, project. Oh no, this is not changed. I have to recreate this something like before. Status, you remember, yes, Caius Cassius. Okay, we have enough data. Save again, and we want now to use our template, not ISO but STAS, which has this title block, to place here also data from the part, coming from the part. You have to see the title block in detail. You don't see here any sharp brackets or other data necessary for be fulfilled with data. How to do? Well, we have a great possibility. We go to this instant of title block, edit definition, and then we choose a place where to place a text, because for the first moment we add a text, say here, for designer. We don't write the text by hand, but we use this tool plus this icon, these two cells, type and property. From the type, we want to put here designer. From the type, we set, you see the two very different options. This is drawing, we work to the drawing, and this is the model. We take data for the drawing. Author, designer, designer, designer is here, and we use this icon to add the text parameter, which is this, using a height of 2.5, but for all, excuse me, 2.5 to have the room here, and also italic. Okay, now escape, not another text for the moment, and we place this somewhere to be suitable, finish sketch, save. Yes, I saved this. Now the designer is what the part has here. We choose now, as we know already, the field text, and we see that in the property we have only this. We go to the part and we change there the designer with say John Wayne. Okay, John Wayne is here, and also John Wayne is here. Good. Then this means that we can add anything we want. You choose what to place here, but I am going to the data. Here is to be date, no data. Excuse me, this is Romanian. Let's change it for people to understand what is written here. Double click and we put here data here, date. Okay, now this is okay. Here I want to place the current data, for instance. Text, you know now, yes? Text placed here, coming from drawing, current data, creation date, no current data, creation date, yes, of course. So, and we select all to make it not so high. Creation date, you see, this is a parameter, this is not a text, a simple text. Okay, escape from text, we put this somewhere here, and now we have another data. Finish sketch, save, and this is the data. You can do this for everything on your template. Take time to see all, to understand, and note that you have to use this tool when you change data to the part. When you take apart this part, take apart this part and you modify, go in the drawing, go here and update the data. Yes. And now let's save this template, this drawing as template. We know the procedure. We go here, save as template, the same name like before. This, yes, I replace it, and now because this part is open and there was a picture here, no, there is no picture because this is opened. If I close both the future drawing coming from template, don't save, and also the part, when I start this I have not any John Wayne there, of course. I have what is default. Now if I open this and place a part, we know what part, this one, with the same scale, with the same dimension. You see here there is the same, and now I go here to the tools, document setting. This is a new document, yes, for the same part, no problem, the same part but new document. We have to apply the same procedure to bring data from the part and place them in the drawing. Okay, apply. Yes, I want to do this. Close. And what about this? We go to field text, designer is the same as before. I suppose that this is taken from the computer. This is why it is not changed, because this is changed, yes, not current date but the data from here. So I have to change this to make a change. Cary Grant, another old actor from Hollywood. Apply, but only close, change this here. You will accommodate with all these details because I trust you. I trust in you. Yes, you will learn and you will use your intelligent abilities to work with all these details. This is enough for today. Have a nice time. Bye bye.